Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a reliable home exercise bike, the Bowflex C6 for 2025 is one that's been making waves. Today, I'm breaking down this popular spin bike in a straightforward review, covering its standout pros and potential cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your fitness routine. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about what makes the Bowflex C6 a winner. One of the biggest pros is its compact and sturdy design. At just under 50 pounds, it's easy to move around your home gym or living room, making it perfect for smaller spaces without sacrificing stability. Another highlight is the smooth magnetic resistance system. With 100 levels of resistance, you can easily adjust your workout intensity, whether you're doing a gentle spin or an intense HIIT session. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with popular apps like Peloton and Zwift, turning your bike into a virtual cycling adventure. The comfortable, adjustable seat and handlebars mean longer rides won't leave you in pain, and the included media rack lets you watch videos hands-free. But no product is perfect, so let's get real about the cons. The price tag is a major drawback. It's on the higher end, around $800 to $1,000 depending on sales, which might sting if you're on a budget. Assembly can be a hassle too. It took me about an hour to put together, and you'll need some basic tools. Also, while it's durable, some users report that the pedals might wear out faster with heavy use, potentially requiring replacements. And if you're tall, the maximum seat height might not accommodate everyone comfortably. Overall, the Bowflex C6 bike is a solid choice for beginners to intermediate users looking for a versatile, app-compatible ride. If you have the budget and space, it's worth it for the features alone. But if you're pinching pennies or need something ultra-luxurious, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more fitness gear breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments below. Ride on!